Hello, fastest growing goal director in 10 years, right? आप मुझे यही नाम से जानते हैं, right? But my name is Kalyani. I'm from Pune. I have done my MBA और MBA के बाद 1 साल job experience किया, but was really not happy with the job. As I'm from business family, I wanted to do something जो excite करे, जो आज आप सबको भी excite कर रहा है. बस ऐसी अपॉर्चुनिटी की खोज में थी, and that's how I met my upline Christina again on digital platform. उन्होंने digital platform से introduce किया, but Oriflame was not new for me. Oriflame के products पहले से use कर रही थी और उनकी काफ़ी ज़्यादा बड़ी fan भी थी. But then I got opportunity to talk with Priyanka Bhatia. She's my mentor. She made me understand how this opportunity can be a career for me. At the age of 26, to make Oriflame a career, I was not sure. But I took time. I made sure कि मैं पूरा business समझ लूँ. Within a week, I understood entire business, and that's how I started. Journey began in the month of March, as you can see. 4th month, I was a senior manager. 10th month, I was a director. And 12th month, I was senior director and gold. Make sense? कैसे हुआ? कैसे हुआ? हम सब ये apps को अच्छे से जानते हैं. ये apps का use हम, जैसे सफीर ने बोला एयरपोर्ट पे 1.5 घंटा फ्लाइट लेट है, हम यूज कर रहे हैं. टाइम पास के लिए यूज कर रहे हैं. But yes, I use these apps to make money. I use Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn for daily promotions, for paid postings, and paid ads. And that's how I generate my leads. That's how I generate my leads. But once I have leads in my hand, I have to give them proper training, right? I have to explain them how this business goes, how this is a better opportunity for you. A lady sitting at home, she'll never do Oriflame because she will think it's again a sales, right? But if you make her understand, you can balance your family responsibility and also you can do this business as your career. Yes, and I use this again digital platform for training. You can see PPT presentation. For each level, I have different PPTs. For entry level, for 9%ers, for 12%ers, like for managers, and for leadership development. Yes, I use presentations. Zoom. It is not possible for me to ask my entire India का जो भी मेरे consultant है, please घर पे आ जाओ, I'll explain you. But yes, I do. How? Every day I take webinars on Zoom. Every day, at least 30 to 50 ladies connect me on Zoom. And that's how I train them. And third app is Oriflame Business App. It's one of my favorite apps. Trust me. It gives me clear idea how is my structure, where I have to work, what should be my strategy for further growth in my business. On daily basis, we need something to keep our network active. बहुत सारे लोग सोने पे आ गए. Hi! Hi! Yes, and that's what I have to do. I have to keep my network active, and for that, I use WhatsApp and conference call. WhatsApp helps me. एक मैसेज डाल दिया. Priyanka is traveling in Paris. लोग जागरूक हो जाएंगे. यार, Paris. I'm in Hyderabad, talking on stage. लोग जागरूक हो गए. One WhatsApp app can give you like instant energy in your network. Make sense? Yes? Yeah. Going further, this gave me a result to one of my favorite topics. Everybody wants to work on something or the other. Me and my network wants to work on women empowerment. And yes, we are working on that. I am working with like-minded females who are just like me, wants to work from home, just be in comfort zone. मई की गर्मी हो या अप्रैल की गर्मी हो, घर में एसी पे बैठो, काम करो मजे से. Yes, जस्ट सर्च लाइक माइंडेड फीमेल्स जिनमें पैशन हो, क्रेजीनेस हो, who are dying to be here. Yes, just search those ladies, unko leaders banao and you're sorted. No boundaries. I have network in entire India. I have to cover South, but I'll make sure I'll cover that also. Yes, women from all the backgrounds. 70% of my ladies are ex-corporates. They left their jobs for their babies, for their marriage, for n number of responsibilities. And now they are successfully with me. And as a result, you can see this. I have 2 directors in the span of 1 year, 4 senior managers, 25 plus managers, and this is my first director conference. This is my first director conference, and I am here with 12 participants. Make sense? Oh. For every business, we need a strong foundation. A foundation like which is a principle and which will cover everything. कि वो success mantra की तरह ले सकते हो आप कि exactly करती क्या है ये. So first thing, you need to have a system. काफी लोगों ने बात किया यहाँ पे. You need to have a system. You need to have a system. Yes. Whether you work online or offline, you have to have one system जो हर कोई डुप्लीकेट कर सके. अंडरस्टैंड दिस बिजनेस इज ओनली ऑफ वन थिंग, डुप्लीकेशन. मैंने उनको कॉपी किया, आज मैं यहाँ पे हूँ, मुझे 10 लोग कॉपी करेंगे, वो यहाँ पे रहेंगे. सो यस, दिस बिजनेस इज ऑफ डुप्लीकेशन, बट यू हैव टू क्रिएट अ सिस्टम विच इज एक्सट्रीमली सिंपल एंड ईजी एंड हर कोई कॉपी कर सकता है. नो टेक्नोलॉजी बेटर. टेक्नोलॉजी के बगैर यहाँ मैं नहीं होती तो आगे भी नहीं हो सकती. सो आई हैव टू मेक श्योर आई कीप माई सेल्फ अपडेटेड विद द टेक्नोलॉजी. हर एक जो चीज़ नई आ रही है उसे मुझे जानना है, सीखना है, एंड दैट विल ओनली हेल्प माई नेटवर्क, माई बिजनेस ग्रो. क्रिएट अवेयरनेस ऑफ सक्सेस प्लान. Yes, it's very important. That's the best product right now which we have. It's like the best product of Oriflame. Understand that products like thoroughly. आपके हर एक जो न्यू कंसल्टेंट है, जो इवन कंसल्टेंट भी नहीं बना है, उसको सक्सेस प्लान इतने अच्छे से समझाओ, दूसरे मिनट वो हाँ बोल दे. That's the power of our success plan. So we have to make sure कि हम उसका यूटिलाइजेशन अच्छे से करें. That will make you understand सामने वाले का why क्या है. As we say, why is very important in Oriflame. Success plan gives you clarity of that. Yes, as Safi said, online के बगैर offline नहीं, offline के बगैर online नहीं. 80%, 20% formula. Yes, 80% I'm online, but 20% I make sure I'm offline too. Offline में we do our business planning sessions every month. या तो 3 तारीख को या 4 तारीख को we make sure we meet in branch. We do proper business planning sessions with all our leaders, whether 9%er, whether senior manager, anyone who are dying to be a leader. And we make sure we set their goals, we plan their calendar, individually we plan their calendar, and that's how it gives a result on month ends, right? And yes, someone talked about consistency. Yeah, Blessing talked about consistency. No reason what is coming, आप क्या कर रहे हो, शादी है घर में क्या है, no, it hardly matters. You have to be consistent in this business. And कोई चीज़ कल पे नहीं डाल सकते आप, आज ही आपको करनी है. Procrastination will never give you result. आज का काम आज करो, that's it. Last but not the least, I'm in love with the speed. Speed is the new currency. And I wish कि आज आप लोगों को मुझे सुन के लगेगा कि yes, digitalization will give you speed. So I invite you all to digital platform. Thank you so much.